Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks Channel, and for today's video I'm going to be trying out a new kind of snack I found today. For this video it's going to be Flipz stuffed white fudge peanut butter filled pretzels. A bit of a mouthful. Yeah, I saw these when I was grocery shopping earlier today. They look kind of tasty, so I figured I'd try them out. Alright, let's get these open and so I can get started on that. Pretty easy to open. Alright, take one out and show it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Basically, just a pretzel with white chocolate. Alright, now try this out. Has a nice smell. Yeah, it looks like it's got a couple of little, like, clusters of pretzel in it. Or maybe just where I chewed it. Yeah, I can actually feel them waddling around a bit when I shake them. That's not something you normally see. Or here in this case. Alright, I'll try a little more. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Alright, just take a quick drink here. Alright. Yep. This one tastes pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I like a lot of white chocolate kind of stuff too, in addition to regular chocolate. And I think it's like a pretty good combination with the pretzels and peanut butter. So yeah, I would definitely get it again. And they also had like a regular chocolate one too. I might try that one out sometime. But as always, let me know what you think about it in the comments if you've ever had any Flipz stuffed like snacks before. Yeah, I'm kind of new to this one. And well, not much else to say, so I'm just gonna end the video here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.